All right, it is the problem of the week, and everybody loves fractions, so we're going to go through here and figure out what to do with this mess. So if we look at this, what we have is a fraction minus a fraction divided by another fraction. So using order of operations, which is PEMDAS, okay, if I have PEMDAS, remember that the P could actually be a G and stand for grouping symbols. So this fraction bar is a grouping symbol. It groups the numerator and it groups the denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and get a common denominator up here. And when I get a common denominator up there, what denominator, so I'm going to ignore what's on the bottom. This denominator has an x minus 2 and this denominator has an x plus 2. So what would my common denominator be? It would be one of each. Okay, so this one has the x minus 2. What is it missing? It's missing the x plus 2. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by x plus 2. Okay, this one has the x plus 2. What is it missing? It's missing the x minus 2. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by x minus 2. And I'm using parentheses so it doesn't look like x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay, I need this chunk times this chunk. And when I do that, what I have then is a 2 times x plus 2. So that gives me a 2x plus 4 minus, and be very careful here to distribute this negative, I'll have a minus 3 times x minus 2. Okay, and when I multiply this together, I get an x squared minus 4. Okay, so I wanted you to see, don't forget that negative. So now when I simplify my numerator, I'm going to get a 2x plus 4 minus a 3x plus a 6 over an x squared minus 4, and all of that is over 3 times x squared minus 4. Okay, so now I got a big fat fraction over a big fat fraction, and this is still not simplified, so let's get that taken care of. So my big numerator is 2x's minus 3x's is negative 1x, and 4 plus 6 is 10. And that's going to be over x squared minus 4 over 3 times x squared minus 4. So I've got a simplified fraction over a simplified fraction. So if I'm dividing fractions, this is this fraction divided by this fraction. I can change it to multiplication by the reciprocal. So that's going to change to a negative x plus 10 over x squared minus 4, and then that's going to be multiplication times the reciprocal of this. So I'm going to flip it. So he becomes x squared minus 4 over 3. So now I have this denominator matches this numerator, so any number divided by itself, so remember the quantity has to match, okay, means that this number and this number reduce to 1. So then what do I have for a final answer? A negative x plus 10 over 3. Okay, and that is the problem of the week.